Here is the included component kit provided to complete your assembly. First, let's start with your bottom panel and your top panel, as well as the 3-hole and the 2-hole connector pieces. Then screw them into the bottom and top panels. Make sure the 2-hole connectors are towards the sides and the 3-hole connector is towards the back. Next, take your 2 side glass panels with the holes in the middle and your back glass panel and screw them in by placing them within the grooves on the bottom. Just make your way around until all are securely tightened. An assistant may be helpful to help hold them in place. You can then line up the top panel grooves with the back and side panels and make sure it slips in correctly. Then tighten the screws with the Allen key and wrench provided to you. Then take your shelf supports with the rubber padding and screw them into the holes in the middle on the side panels. Before you add your front glass door, just loosen the screw on the front of the panel so that you can add the door in more efficiently. You can then add your glass shelving to complete your assembly.